cabbage.
Chop your cabbage into 2-inch length pieces.
Now wash your veggies thoroughly. Place your cabbage in a glass dish.
You will need a pot that is larger than the dish. Place a metal stand inside of the pot and fill with water to cover the stand. If you don't have a stand, use aluminum foil and shape into a circle. Place the dish in the pan and cover. And turn on high heat and steam for 15 minutes.
Halfway through, give it a stir.
This is steamed Nappa cabbage. Do you love it?